So this video is for everybody who is already posting on Instagram and using actively Pinterest business account, and you want to kind of find out how to auto-publish your Instagram post on Pinterest without doing the extra work. Pinterest now really makes it easy to link your Pinterest and Instagram account. There are new auto-publishing and filtering features. So your Instagram content can show up as a pins automatically. That means more reach for you, more traffic, and less time spending on reposting manually. So there are new benefits, maybe because you already heard this before, because a couple of months ago, Pinterest announced this possible connection with Instagram and Instagram. So already many months ago, Pinterest announced this possibility to connect Instagram and Pinterest together. But now there are new benefits. Instagram carousels now become carousel pins. That's great because before, when you were you had the Pinterest and Instagram connected, and you were kind of auto-publishing the carousel Instagram post to Pinterest. Pinterest would divide these, let's say 5 carousel posts. Let's say you have one carousel Instagram post with 5 different images, which is carousel, right? Like a slideshow. And then you have, basically Pinterest will put it automatically on Pinterest. Then it will divide all these 5 images into separate pins, which means if you have maybe 5 tips how to use Pinterest marketing for beginners, for example, I would have carousel posts with 5 different images with 1 tip each. Then of course doesn't make sense because Pinterest will divide each tip, in a separate pin. So it will separate image. It will not make sense, this carousel. But now with this new benefit, this new thing, you can easily create Instagram carousel and it will create one Pinterest carousel. So that's one new thing. And I think it's a great benefit because I love using carousels and I think it's something you can start using, or maybe you are using it too. The second thing, which I believe is the best option in this case, is that you can all pins now link to your website. So not just Instagram. That means before, when you had connected these options, so Instagram and Pinterest, all Instagram posts went back to Instagram. So Instagram, you connected, the post you connected to the Pinterest, they were driving back the links from these pin images or videos, the reels maybe, they were going back to Instagram. So you will have to go manually to the Pinterest and change this pin to link it to the website. But now this is the new thing, and it's great benefit is that when you connect Instagram and Pinterest, then automatically when you auto-publish this Instagram post, it will link to all the Pinterest pins created like this, auto-publish, let's say, with the links directly to your website or to your eShop, to your blog. So you don't have to manually change it, which is great because it doesn't go like Instagram to Pinterest and Pinterest back to Instagram. No, we are doing Instagram, Pinterest website or Pinterest eShop or blog. So without doing the manual work. So you basically saving time and it goes the way you want because it will kind of recycle your Instagram content, put it on Pinterest, then drive the traffic, of course, the reach to your website or product pages or blog pages, whatever you want. So that's definitely great. What we're going to see now is how you can actually connect Instagram and Pinterest, maybe if you haven't done it before. So if you want to connect Instagram and Pinterest, you go on the top right corner to your account, to your profile. You will see here in settings. Click on it and you will get to this page. Edit profile, you have profile visibility, etc. We go to link to Pinterest. So you click on settings, link to Pinterest, and then you see here, connect your account to auto-publish your Instagram post as pins. I am doing this on computer, so I recommend you to do it also on computer. So you log into your Instagram account on your computer and Pinterest account, business account also on computer. So you have both connected, and then it will actually ask you, okay, you previously connected Pinterest to your Instagram account. I already done it before. So it will ask me again, if you want to reactivate this connection, you can do it like me. It will show you this pop-up. If you are starting as a first connection between Pinterest and Instagram, it will not ask you this. It will basically ask you, okay, you want to connect with this particular Instagram account. So you have to give them the access, right? But if you are like me, that I already have this option, so of course, they have to ask me, oh, I already done it, so I will repeat the same thing. So finish linking file footer related to a Pinterest account. Yes, this will basically, this connection create automatically a board for your new Instagram post. The board is called social. Yeah, so it's like we'll create new board and you'll be like, oh, what's this new board I haven't created? It will automatically create this connection. You can choose here if you want to auto-publish posts from the last year, 180 days, 90 days, or none, which doesn't make sense, this connection. But you can, of course, if you are active user on Instagram, I would definitely choose one of these options. And the content is generally imported within 2 or 5 days. So if I go next, you can exclude some options, some like branded, sponsored, copyrighted Instagram posts from publishing on Pinterest. Maybe you have some cooperation, some affiliate, some things you can only be, you can only collaborate on Instagram. So they cannot be on Pinterest. You can actually exclude by keywords or by phrase or hashtag. So you can do it here. If you do like this, now it's connected. And you can see actually that here is auto-publish Instagram post and exclude by keywords. You can always unclaim it here. And if I click on my profile to right corner, you see here, now it's my Instagram profile, which is not related to this content, but it's my Instagram profile. I'm just for this, for the purpose of this video. It's connected now here, and you can click on, anybody can click on this link and get to my profile on Instagram. So this is the way, and I'll show you also that it created automatically the social board. So you see here, it's empty now. And you can definitely edit the name, the title, the description of this board. So you can see it's empty now. It will take some time to, of course. If you like my videos, sign up here, because every week we have new videos about Pinterest, about marketing, about how to start a business and sell digital products. So sign up here so you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.